So grinding it, I'm going to sharpen a point on one end. That's just going to reduce the amount of friction. So I'm going to hold it like so, rotate it around, as you'll see. On. So this way you can control small point, and now I can come over here and I can test fit it into my hinge. Yep, make sure it all fits, it's the right size. It's going to come out. Beautiful. So we've got a test fit. So now what we've got to do is go and tack these in place, and we'll do